Water tanker system failure.
What a nice day today. Oh no! What happened? Help! Help!
Welcome to TinkerBot Repair Center.
TinkerBot, please help me! I fell into a big hole and my water tank is broken.
Let me take a look. Oh no! Dents everywhere and some parts are broken. I will fix you.
好的，谢谢。
Let's check first. First, fix the broken water tank. Put on the glue. Blow it dry with a fan. Polish and smooth it. Wipe it clean. Now, let's fix the dents. Straighten the bent front bumper. And finally, I will install a super water spray system. Now let's wash you. Add bubbles. Wash the bubbles away. Blow dry with a fan. Wax and polish. All finished.
Wow! I'm so clean now. I look much better than before. Thank you so much, TinkerBot.
You're welcome.
Take care.
You too. Bye-bye. Have a good trip.
Hoo-hoo.